You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have the Nike Attack. These are the Nike Attack in the black and white colorway, but before we dive into it, we want to give a huge shout out to the good folks over at 1985 Gallery for letting us get an early look at this classic tennis model right here. Let's go ahead and dive into the shoes. Right here at the top of the nylon tongue, you have this tongue tag with the checkerboard pattern with the red Nike swoosh on there. I've read that this checkerboard pattern was inspired by the taxi cabs in New York where John McEnroe grew up. And they come with flat white laces. You have leather overlays for the eyelets. And you have a nice soft nylon mesh padding overlay before you get to the toe box. When you get to the toe box, you have more leather overlays. Taking us to the side panels of the shoe, you have continued leather overlays with perforated holes and stitching that connects it to the eyelets at the top. And you have these black leather swooshes on both sides. For the sock liner, you have this nice soft terry cloth material, and you can even see the style code and size right on the side of there. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have this black leather overlay with the Nike bold font in white. Underneath that, on the back of the heel cup, you have more leather overlays in black and white. Taking us to the midsole, you have this two-tone midsole in white and gray. Taking us to the outsole, you have a lot of traction here. You have similar traction towards the edges with those star patterns, similar to your Jordan 1s and Jordan 3s and other Nike basketball shoes of the 80s. But right here in the middle, you have this crazy pattern that I've never really seen before, which is a bunch of little circles and squares. And right here in the middle, you do have more of a little checkered print to match the checkered tongue tag, and you do have a tonal Nike in gray as well. For those of you who might not know, the Nike Attack, AKA the Mac Attack, originally released back in the mid-'80s, and they were worn by tennis legend John McEnroe. This is one of the original colorways. Earlier this year, we did see the light smoke gray colorway, and supposedly Travis Scott is doing a collab version of those. And for the promo of that, you saw Travis Scott playing tennis with John McEnroe to kind of hype up the re-release of the Nike Attack in that same color. If you're familiar with the channel, then you know over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we love our classic 80s and 90s Nike shoes. And these right here help pave the way for some of the classics that we love, like the Air Trainer 1 in Andre Agassi's Air Tech Challenge line. So without these, you really couldn't get to some of those classics that we love and hold so dearly to our hearts. But these are a little bit before my time, so I'm not well-versed in everything in all the history about the Air Max. But when I don't know, I follow great pages like Sneaker Preservation Society, OG or Bust. They always have the rundown on some of these classics that were before my time. So whenever I have a question or if ever I'm looking for some more information, I go on their pages and try to see what they know that I don't. The Nike Attack will be releasing at 1985 Gallery and other retailers on September 7th at a price point of $120. As far as comfort goes, I definitely recommend going true to size. Being that it is a vintage Nike shoe from the 80s, there isn't a lot of tech and a lot of air in there. That's why there's no air on the tongue tag. It's just a foam insole and then a rubberized outsole. And they do have that crazy traction, which is great for all kind of tennis terrains, clay, or court. As far as style goes, I love me a simple silhouette like this, black and white. I even have the smoke gray pair. It's just a classic silhouette that I've learned about in recent years because of the pages I've mentioned. I just really feel that it's a classic look. You really can't go wrong with an all-white shoe with a black swoosh. You can wear these great in the summertime. Goes good with Nike tennis gear. If you really play tennis, you might want to pick up a pair of the Nike Attack. But how do you guys feel about the Nike Attack? Is this a pair that you're looking forward to picking up? Did you already grab the light smoke gray pair like we did? Is this a shoe you would like to see us review in the future? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate all the support on this channel. But let's go ahead and try on these tennis classics, the Nike Attack.
Yeah. I'm a chill guy to get along with, get on a song with, trying to bubble up like the water in the bong grips. The heart and soul of the team on some Draymond shit, strong shit, kick game crazy, that fade long shit. Back in some newest sneakers, you know who the leaders. I might pull up in the two-seater, bump and do a leaper. Send me 5 bands and I probably do your feature. Whoever hating on me probably watching from the bleachers, trying to pop up in the bees or take a yacht off the marina. You bring a deal to me, don't you ever try to fleece us. I overanalyze shit, read the fine print, and I improvise when I do some things I haven't tried yet. I'm lit, no heat check, really I'm him. Grinding till the night shift, turn to the night swims. Catch a vibe quick on these C-Rock beats, and when I get on, then the whole squad gon' eat. Feel me? Ayo, we back for sure. Got the green light now, yeah.
If you enjoyed this review, then make sure you check out all our other reviews right here. We have a bunch for you guys to enjoy. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you can stay up to date when we drop new episodes. We'll catch you on the next one.